first door on. This is the back door. Of course, we're doing the knobs and deadbolts later, but we have the door on. We made the door jamb custom. Made it ourselves out of various stuff we had, so that's very exciting. We also have more of the windows in. They're all caulked up and zip typed, and all that stuff looks really messy right now because it doesn't have trim around it, but all the windows are actually installed. So we've got these two windows up here in. We're currently working on this door right here. This is gonna be the big wide front door. Check out this door. Got the door jamb on and everything. Okay, we've trimmed the front windows and the door. We put on a threshold here in that door, and we put on this soffit. Oh, and the corner trim. So it's looking pretty good.